Welcome to this installment of State Chemical Solutions training series, Effective Restroom Cleaning and Disinfecting. Today you will learn why it is important to properly clean and disinfect a public restroom, the necessary personal protective equipment you should wear while cleaning, along with a step-by-step tutorial on the proper procedures for restroom cleaning. By the end of this video, you should be able to effectively, efficiently, and safely clean, disinfect, and maintain a public restroom. Perception is reality. The availability of clean, sanitized public restrooms is very important to most Americans. According to a recent survey, 30% of Americans avoid public restrooms due to the fear of germs. Of those that do use public restrooms, 40% flush the toilet with their feet, while the remaining 60% go so far as to not touch anything in the facility at all. So why is it important to properly clean a restroom? Public perception is real, and a dirty or foul-smelling bathroom is unacceptable and unhygienic. Properly cleaned and sanitized restrooms prevent the spread of germs, bacteria, and illness. A clean and healthy environment is welcoming to all those who use the facilities, whether it be an employee or a visitor. Before we begin, here are the necessary tools and products needed for successfully cleaning and disinfecting a restroom. Equipment: a restroom close sign, wet floor sign, goggles, gloves, mop bucket, a rag, and paper supplies to restock the restroom. And products: a disinfectant, bath and bowl cleaner, glass cleaner, and floor cleaner. Step 1. Close off the restroom to the general public. Make sure you put up a restroom close sign to ensure that no one attempts to enter the restroom. If an unauthorized person were to enter during cleaning, they could be a liability to the facility, as wet floors are slip hazards and chemicals on surfaces may not be safe for skin contact. Step 2. Put on your personal protective equipment or your PPE. It is important to wear gloves, goggles, and any additional protective equipment required to use the chemical. Refer to the product label or material safety data sheet and your supervisor for PPE requirements. Step 3. Disinfect high-touch surface areas. Spray disinfectant on all high-touch surface areas, including countertops, sinks, toilets and urinals, fixtures, doorknobs, doors, light switches, and any other surfaces that may be touched while the user is in the restroom. In order to kill all bacteria and germs, disinfectants require a wait period of 10 minutes. While it sits and kills germs, move on to Step 4. Step 4. Spray the insides of toilets and urinals. Spray or squirt bathroom and bowl cleaner on the insides of the toilets and urinals. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes and move on to Step 5. You will return after the 5 to 10 minute wait period to scrub the surfaces you just sprayed. Step 5. Dust. Starting with the ceiling and working your way down, use a duster with an extended handle to clean areas which cannot be reached by hand, including tops of partitions, ceiling vents, and ledges. Step 6. Scrub toilets and urinals. Scrub the insides of toilets and urinals which have been in contact with bathroom and bowl cleaner. Agitate the surface above and below the water line to eliminate water rings. When you are finished, flush the toilets and the urinals. Step 7. Wipe off disinfectant. Starting in the area immediately to the right of the doorway, work your way around the room until you reach the point at which you began. Wipe all contact surfaces sprayed with disinfectant with a cotton rag or a microfiber cloth. Such surfaces include countertops, sinks, the outsides of urinals and toilet bowls, fixtures, doorknobs, doors, light switches, and walls. Wipe toilet seats and faucets with a disposable paper towel and place the paper towel in the trash when finished. Step 8. Empty trash and restock. Empty the trash and restock items such as hand soap, toilet tissue, paper towels, trash liners, facial tissue, urinal blocks, sanitary napkins, and air fresheners. Step 9. Clean mirrors and glass surfaces. Spray glass cleaner on mirrors, glass, and chrome surfaces. Wipe dry for a clean, streak-free shine. Step 10. Clean the restroom floors. Sweep the floors completely of dust and debris. Wet mop the floors with either a neutral floor cleaner, biofloor cleaner, or disinfectant. Consult your manager or State Chemical Solutions account representative on the recommended chemical solution for your facility. Next, wring the mop out completely dry and use it to dry the floor. To warn the public of slippery floors and to prevent use. In review, here are the 11 steps needed for properly cleaning and disinfecting a restroom. Now you know the 11 steps recommended for cleaning a restroom. Refer to the Standard Operating Procedures Guide provided by State Chemical Solutions. Thank you for participating in this installment of State Chemical Solutions Training Series, Proper Restroom Cleaning and Disinfecting. Today you learned that proper cleaning is important in the prevention of spreading illness. You also learned that you are required to wear necessary personal protective equipment while using chemicals. Please refer to the product MSDS for more information. Lastly, you watched the step-by-step guide for proper restroom cleaning and disinfecting.